Okay, this is hard to fathom. I have a Mac Classic. My workbench is a mess. I have a Mac Classic here, and it's connected to a Farallon LocalTalk thingy, which is connected via an excessively long phone cord to another Farallon LocalTalk thingy. I only kept two of these things, and the reason I kept them is so that I would preserve my ability to use the Asante micro Asante print. This connects LocalTalk to Ethernet, and the Ethernet is connected to, among other things, this HP laser printer, which is looking a little messy at the moment. Anyhow, I am seeing the laser printer in the chooser. So a 1990 computer is successfully communicating with a, I don't know, 2010 or so printer. That's a pretty big span of years. So now let's see if I can actually print. Better do page setup first. Okay. Here we go. Print directory. I don't know what PPD it's using. It knows the printer, but I have no idea what PPD it's using. Hopefully generic. Okay, let's see some traffic. Oh, that was something. Oh, I can't see the printer. Yep, printer's flashing. Now this is a slow connection. 115.2 I think, right, on the LocalTalk side. Oh my god. Oh my god. Congratulations, little computer. You did it. And there's the printout. I wonder if I have anything more exciting to print than that. Let's look in Quark, Ready, Set, Go. Well, no, forget about that. That's got a bunch of stuff that isn't properly linked. How about this? Paying by check, Quark Express document. It's probably missing a bunch of fonts. I didn't really pay too much attention to the fonts that are installed on this machine. I use a lot of avant-garde, Lublin Graph, and Palatino I used to use, but not anymore. Probably in this document. Let's see what it gripes about. Uh-oh. List fonts. Futura, that's interesting. I've got that font. I just need to install it. Okay, so there's our layout. It's going to look like crap because it's not going to be using any outline fonts. Wow, that's a lot of things to select. Okay, here we go. In the meantime, I'm going to do something here. Utilities. Find DA mover. Okay, there are the fonts, and we will open Fonts from elsewhere. Futura condensed. Outline fonts? No, it's not going to allow me to do anything with that. Bitmap fonts. Futura condensed. Oh, that's a lot of fonts. That's a hell of a lot of fonts. That is too many fonts. Alright, this is getting boring fast. So, do we still have Quark open? No. Paying by check. So we need to find out what font is missing and just install that one font. Keep in mind that a font is not a typeface. A font is a family of, is a bunch of type that has a particular typeface and a particular style. Okay, but a bunch of different sizes. Okay, so here we go. Futura condensed extra bold. Okay, I can live with that. So we're going to close the document, and let's see if we can find the font DA mover again. Where are you? Not enough memory, of course. That's nice. Don't sass me. I've got the memory set to arbitrarily high values on some of these things here. I need to get in there and economize a little bit. Nope, that is not what I wanted. Fonts from elsewhere, Futura condensed, bitmapped, Futura condensed. So CXPO. Just a second. Get down, you. Okay. By the way, I installed a SCSI to SD hard drive in this thing, and there's no place to put an LED, so I just put it, wire tied it right at the edge of the floppy drive sled, and it actually works pretty well. It's pointing down a little bit, and so it reflects off the bottom surface of the drive hole really well. Alright, what was I doing? Quark. So many windows open. Paying by check. So this time it shouldn't bitch about the typeface, the font. Please don't bitch, please don't bitch. How about that? Alright, so now I'll print it. I don't know what's up with it not allowing outline fonts. I can't remember how that worked in days gone by. almost threw this thing out. I thought, there's just no possibility I'm ever going to use this again. I seem to recall it being rather expensive. Bless you. Alright, so that's interesting. So it has, the printer obviously knows Helvetica, but it didn't have the Futura outline fonts. And since I didn't supply Mac OS with the outline fonts, it couldn't send them to the printer. Well, I'm going to stop my quest there. I'm just amazed that I was able to print to a laser printer from this little baby. And that's all I got to say about that.